The boat is stuck. Oh no! This is the chairlift.
Thanks, please. You sit down, keep your hands in, alright?
Keep our hands in. Okay, this is fun. This is very exciting. Very nerve-wracking, in fact.
Yeah.
I'm afraid of heights.
Whoops. Take a seat, hands in. Oh, you alright?
Yeah.
There you go.
Mom.
He's also filming.
Oh yeah. It's really nice.
Go through the trees.
Through the trees. I really like it. It's nice view, nice boats.
I'm very scared.
Schommelen.
Don't! You're not allowed to.
So we are on the beach, Stone Beach. This is the crystal water found. It's very nice, and you need to be lucky to find a crystal on the beach. We're at Island Bay on the Isle of Wight, and this is a nice cliff, and we're at the beach. Very nice view, and this is a nice vlog. This is the last England vlog, and we go back to the Netherlands. Oh, watch out, it's rocks. And keep on watching. The boat is stuck. Oh no! Yeah, it's all the stuff getting wet and clothes and yep, and not good. I hope you enjoy my vacation vlogs from England. I'm now here, and I see you by the next vacation vlogs. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next time.